Okay, let's take a look at the art studio / office right now. And here it is. Here is my sewing table where I make all kinds of fabric things, journals, and there is some fabrics and flowers and buttons and so on. I am making an art journal supplies pouch and it's a little bit unfinished, and then I will sew it together and put a zipper in it. Then I can put there all my pencils and such for art journaling and take that to my travels. And here are all of my fabric samples. It's handy to clip on these when you need something for the sewing. And there is my art. And here are the puzzle pieces that are soon to be continued. They are there, and then here is my little canvas painting and mini art journaling booklet and the little Tiger Girl print. Yes, but this is a very relaxing spot in the art studio. And here is my light lantern and the little plant, pink and white plant. Here is my work desk where I do my editing and also my work. I have worked as a graphic designer for 20 years now and as an entrepreneur for 18 years of them. So here I do my graphic design work and also my editing. And there is some tea. Nom, 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 nom. And this is my spot where I do my videos, where I film my videos. And there is a journal safe package. And the unboxing video is coming soon. And here are my brushes and markers and supplies. Here are my journals and my little canvas painting, and it's easy to grab the art journals here when I do my art journaling, and they are near the desk, so that's nice. Here is my printer. I do my printing over there. And here is my shelf. There are all my colors and art supplies, acrylic markers, watercolors, soft pastels, oil pastels, markers, inks, and so on. And these boxes I haven't filled up yet because I was supposed to make a moving vlog, but that didn't happen because I was so sick for many weeks with some kind of virus. Luckily I had lovely people here helping me, so that is still, I have to do these. Fill them up. And here are my supplies and empty boxes that I have to fill up. And there are also supplies, and here is my fabric books. Snugly. Snugly there in the shelf. And here is my little sitting corner where I do my embroidery and my digital drawing. It is nice to relax during the day in here. Moikka! But now I have to quit the video. This was a fast one because I have a work meeting in 20 minutes and then I am leaving for the north cabin, and it is a long drive. Okay, fast forward. Here we are in the northern cabin and it is a beautiful day. There is about a half meter of snow and it is a sunny day. The wind is blowing quite hard, so I have to get more clothes on, and yes, but it is really beautiful and peaceful. In here, the forest looks beautiful. The wind has done a little sculpture to the yard. It looks like a snow wave. Really nice. It's a warm day. Well, +2 Celsius degrees, but the wind is really hard, so it makes it feel a little bit nippy. I think I will go and walk there. Ooh, it is really windy, but it's so nice to be back here in the nature and so peaceful, and here is no neighbors, so it is really quiet and I love it. Oh, wind is really starting to pick up. Now this is a perfect winter day. These winter evenings are so beautiful, really relaxing. Now the sun is setting and now it's time to go inside because the darkness is soon coming and I want to grab something to eat and then to sauna and to bed. I am pretty beat. So I hope you have a lovely weekend. Kiitos katsomisesta. Moi moi!